Sunday, August 16th, Hobby Lobby, California, Maryland. Cars and coffee, not too bad of a turnout. Got some threatening skies, but people showed up anyway. I'm John. This is Out of Water Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Really appreciate it. We'll start with this cool MGB British sports car. These look like fun. Haha. Risk of fire. Alright. Here. Nice El Camino. Got a LS swap in it. Later model engine. Looks like a clean install. Got air conditioning. She's got disc brakes conversion. Nice.
Everything except the 300, the Durango, the T-Rex.
Short, very short. It's like a
So, got some of the nice Mopars here. We got a Magnum wagon. That's neat. And Challenger, Mercedes. Saw that Audi over there. It's a Porsche 4-door. Mustang there. BMW. A couple other things over here. Not a whole lot around, but better than nothing. It's supposed to rain later on today. Square body. Turbo LS in there.
look like you might have
Subaru. Honda del Sol. How about that? Nice square body short box there. Pretty neat. Look, there's our G8. So, different view from the back. And Porsche, TLX, Honda. Let's go over here and look at some of this stuff. Corvette. That's nice. Convertible. I love the color on this one here.
I got lucky on that one. I looked at it and the nose was about this long and then it goes to a metal line. Oh, that's the
Smooth looking BMW there. There's another one.
So I was able to just
Hemi Charger there. Looking nice in the dark blue color. We're moving the Dunkin' Donuts in there. Was back over there somewhere by the highway. It's too hard to park in front of it. And Kia going by. The trucks. There's the back of the BMW. That's an M6, huh? An M4 here. Supra. These are neat.
Maintenance and so anytime you have to do anything with like alignments or like if it had any kind of shakes or anything, you had to go test drive it out there.
Fox body Mustang.
what you talking about. It kind of goes in.
Nice. Seen this truck before. Always liked it. Nice.
Getting pulled over in a car behind gloriously.
OBS step side. That's neat. Mid 80s Monte Carlo SS. Cow induction hood on it.
Yes, sir. Brand new set of tires. Brand new set of recaps.
69 Mustang. 66 Chevelle. Big block car. Turbo. Trendsetter wraps. Yeah, there's an Oldsmobile over there. We'll go look at that in a few. Get this batch of 3 right here. Haven't seen one of these with the Lambo hinges yet. Something different. Fleetwood. These are like the round Caprices. They share the front door with the Caprice, but the back door and everything is Roadmaster specific, as is the front sheet metal. Let's look at the LT1 350 in there. It's Alex's van, always looking good. Haven't seen under the hood. $377,000. He's some of the camera mounts on the back of these cars. Pretty neat. Four-door 350 Chevelle. With build sheet.
That's the newest find.
Get that from under the
This
back
car
seat.
I just got a new interior in this car. I just drove this car. You ready for this? I just drove this all the way to Kansas City and back, 1,100 miles each way.
Cool.
Just got home last weekend. I drove it to Kansas City because I was getting a brand new interior done in this car. While the guy was doing the interior, that was tucked in. That was inside the back of the front seat. It was in between the batting and the springs on the front seat. And he pulled the seat out, and there it was. How cool is that?
It's very cool. So you got new insides.
Complete brand new interior. Take a look.
Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. 69 Chevelle. New carpet,
Everything.
door panels, everything. That's fantastic. 69
Turned out pretty
Chevelle.
good, huh?
No, it turned out great. Look at that. The right-hand drive. Skyline. And another one. There we go. I like the flares around the wheels.
Nice car. Thank you.
That's neat.
Take care. That's
Honda swapped. You got a Honda engine in here?
yeah.
What year is this?
This is a 1980. Yeah. They
That's amazing.
Well,
Mini,
to be
right?
fair,
Yep.
Mitsubishi seems to be the only car
Austin Mini, right?
brand
Capital Mini group.
that is priced within a decent amount of people's budgets, but they're not very
So which Honda engine is it?
It's a D16 Y4 out of New Zealand market, Civic engine.
Interesting. That's pretty neat.
I mean, they all have CVTs now, right?
The right-hand drive is clean.
I think. 'Cause I
What a
usually
clean
drive-
install on this powertrain. Look at that. That's good.
You make every inch count.
Yeah, look at that. It's that's really done well. Well, thanks for showing it to us.
Yeah, thank you.
It's for sale. No particulars given. If you're the owner, drop your contact info in the comments so people can buy it if they want it. There goes the Mini. That's neat. A Honda engine in it. It's a Honda. It's F-150. Look at that. The Challenger. The Mustang. SRT Challenger. That's neat. Couple later models. Scion and Kia. Oh, look at this. A 74 or 5 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Neat. Last time you saw one of those. A 78 to 80-ish Corvette. Looks pretty serious. Got a parachute on the back. Roll cage. Not quite the setup in there. Turbo. I believe that's a General Motors LS engine. You got a LX hatch and a GT hatch. And a couple of motorcycles. Usual group here. Here's the Harbor Freight. There's the Hobby Lobby.
They haven't updated. They haven't updated. It's R3. Yeah, I learned on R3. It's just, but I need to move out.
There you go. That's neat. It's the earlier 4Runner, I think. And a neat looking Ranger. Extended cab, flare side. Neat. Look at this sinister Cadillac. I don't know if that's paint or a wrap. That's pretty neat. This is 67 to 72 Ford flare side. Notice how they still use the 50s fenders, which don't match the curvature of the front fenders, but that is the way it came from the factory. This thing is really neat. I like the fact that it's got the stock hubcaps on there. Now, these had a wooden bed from the factory, so looks like he's in mid replacement of that. But this is can't beat it. It's really neat. I really love these 03 and 04 Mustang Cobra. Call them the Terminators. Got a 4.6 4-valve motor with a blower from the factory. Not a turbo, but an engine-driven supercharger. T56 6-speeds. These things are really, really neat. A Jeep Wrangler. Looks just right with those wheels and tires on it. Pretty neat stuff. That should do it for Cars and Coffee today, the Hobby Lobby. I'm John. It's been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. We really appreciate it. Hope to see you again on another video.